Hello dear students, in this class we are going to learn second part 2 of molecular basis of inheritance, especially part 2 the search of genetic material is going on, in which second experiment was the OT Avery CM MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. These all three scientists, O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod and McCarthy, put forward the experiment of Griffith. Further, to find out what is the nature of transforming material. To search what is the nature of transforming material. What was the Mendel problem? Nature of transforming material. Griffith was unable to explain the nature of transforming material in his experiment. What was the problem of Griffith? The first and major problem was the role of mice in change of bacterial strain. How the mice change the bacterial strain. Is any role of mice in this experiment? Change of bacterial strain basically in mice, it was not explained by Griffith. Second was the what component present in S strain, means which type of component present in S strain, either polysaccharide or protein or DNA. Any components are present in them, and which one is responsible for change of the R form into the S form, change of R strain of bacteria into the S strain of bacteria. It was not explained by the Griffith. It is the major problem of the Griffith experiment, because Griffith that they perform experiment but was unable to find out what is the basic nature of the genetic material and which one is responsible for transforming basically in bacteria. O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod and McCarthy prove his experiment to perform the nature to know the nature of genetic material, especially which material is responsible for transferring of character, transforming basically R form into the S form. They select three enzymes. First enzyme was DNase for performing his experiment, and second was RNase, and third was, you can consider RNase or not, student, because it is not given here, and third is a protease. You know, students, do you know the difference between DNase and DNA? Do you know difference between DNase and DNA? This word, can you differentiate? Yes. DNase is an enzyme of DNase. Especially this is an enzyme related to the DNA, and this is a plural form of what? DNA, means we are talking about many DNA, and this is either ligating or DNA enzymes which are responsible for DNA related to digestions and many experiments. He used DNase enzymes that work on DNase digestions especially, and RNase help in the RNA digestions, and protease help in the digestion of proteins. Okay, he performed experiment by taking same F Griffith, taking the experiment of same Griffith, but one thing, he used enzyme one by one. First enzyme he used DNase. Okay, what they use? DNase used in the mixed culture of R and S strain of bacteria. He add which bacteria? S form of bacteria that are heat killed. S form of bacteria that was heat killed. Okay, and second was R form of bacteria that are live. First, not DNase, first about the RNase. not RNase, we first talk about the protease. Okay, protease. He found that he added protease in the solution, and after some time, with the help of injections, use some extract, and further it is injected in mice body, After some time, mice shows symptoms. Okay, mice shows symptom. Now students, I think this is just too complex. Now again I want to explain this. This is a OT Avery-CM MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. The fourth experiment of Griffith here. In this samples, two type of material, S strain of bacteria is taken that are already heat killed, plus R form of bacteria are taken, R strain that are live, and culture here for some time. After some times, 3 enzymes uses one by one before injected into the. First enzyme was DNase, second enzyme was RNase, and third enzyme was protease. It means before injected into the mice body, the solution treated with the DNase, then injected into the mice body, and after some time, where the DNA treatment is given to the test tubes, especially the material that are taken, the mice was non-symptomatic, not symptomatic. Mice was not symptomatic, no symptoms appear. Okay, and after some time, it can see that the mice was not sometime, the mice was live in that case. Second, where the RNase is taken, means after treatment, this material injected into the mice body, and after some time, the symptom are seen in this case, symptom appear in this case. Okay, and due to appearing of symptoms, the mice will dead. Okay, mice will die. You can say dead or die, you can write. Symptoms appear in RNase treatment of the mixture, by which the symptoms appear, and the symptoms, after appearing symptom, the mice suffer from the severe pneumonia in this case, and after some time the mice will die. In third cases also, when after protease treatment, when injected into the mice body, symptoms are appear in this case also. Symptoms appear in this case, and after some time the mice will die due to pneumonia, dead with the pneumonia. Now students, the total result of the experiment is clear here. You can see, when DNA treatment is given in case of mice, it means that DNA treatment is given in case of mice, means main material that able to transform R form into S form was DNA, because DNA was a genetic material that transfer R form into the virulent form, and that if they injected, here I am explaining opposite to that. The DNA treatment is given to solution, and the main material that present in this are DNA, and DNA is able to transform R form into S form. Okay, but DNA treatment is given, due to this the R form is not changes into the S form, because the solutions of S forms that having DNA are digested with the enzyme DNase. That's why no R form changes into the S forms, and if they are injected into the mice body, no symptoms appear and mice will live. But in second case, when RNA is given means RNA is able to digest RNA only, DNA remain in the solution and DNA is able to transform R form into the S form in this case, and due to which if they injected into the mice, because R form already converted into the S form and S form change the S form able to cause symptoms in case of mice, and mice will die after some times. And third was the proteinase. In same case, the protein is digested totally from S form, and our DNA is remain in that case, that change into the R form into the virulent form. If they are injected into the mice body, mice so symptomatic conditions, symptom appear in case of mice and mice will die. On this experiment, O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod and McCarthy put forward that the DNA is a basic genetic material which transform R form into the S form. Means nature of transforming material was explained by what? O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod and McCarthy. By using what? Enzyme. Nature of transforming material was explained by using enzyme by O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod and McCarthy, and by performing experiment of O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod, McCarthy, the transforming principle experiment was completed in this case. Students, generally, I think if Griffith repeat experiment further for 1 to 2 generations, then they should find out the result of transforming principles. But Griffith is not able to finding his result. What was the actual nature and what was their problem? I already discussed about the Griffith. That's why the Griffith are unable to explain this in detail. But further 3 scientists, more gap is given here. About this experiment is carried out during 1932 to 1935. Means that this was the experiment that put forward after the Griffith experiment. Means he well known understand that the Griffith work, and further they perform his experiment. Some book is written in 1944. In 1944, sorry, you can write 1944 because this is a important times where the nature of transforming material was explained by using enzyme, especially by O.T. Avery, C.M. MacLeod and McCarthy. I think students, you may fully understand about this. Now again I am going to revise S strain and R strain. You know that this was the 4th experiment that was performed by the Griffith. Here S strain is heat killed, R strain is live. Both are mixed in a test tube and culture there. And after some times, one by one, these 3 material are separated each other, okay, and in which one was treated by DNase, one was treated by RNase, and one was treated by protease. The material, the test tube treated by DNase, taken into the injection and injected into the mice body, no symptoms appear because the DNA is able to digest DNA. Means if a DNA is only transforming material, they are not transfer R form into the S form. That's why mice life in this case. But RNase is able to digest RNA only, DNA is remain, and DNA able to transform the R form into virulent form. That's why the symptom appear and mice will die. And third is a protease, where protein is digested but DNA and RNA remain in the bodies, that is able, DNA is remain in the body, that is able to convert R form into S form. That's why the mice will dead in this case. This was the total result. On this basis, it is clear that only one case where where it is clear that the DNA is genetic material, because DNA is the only material which transform or form into the S form. In class 11 chapter 9 biomolecules, the polymer of nucleic acid or DNA, especially deoxyribonucleic acid, you have learned in detail. But in this chapter, molecular basis of inheritance, this chapter is further put forward by explaining the nature of and explained about the genetic material, what is the DNA basis, what is their length, and what is the actual size of DNAs in human bodies. This all topic in NCERT class 12 is given, and I think after OT Avery and MacLeod experiment, one experiment is remain, is called Hersey and Chase experiment. What? A.D. Hersey and Martha Chase experiment. This is a very important experiment, and this experiment is also explained fully that the DNA is actual genetic material in the organism which transmit character from parent to offspring. Okay, I think students, this is a next part of chapter 5, you can say. In this chapter we have in this chapter, by learning this chapter well, we have understand the nature of genetic material and of how the character is transmit from parent to offspring. Thank you students. In next class, I will meet with the next experiment, A.D. Hersey and Chase experiment, or this experiment is also called transduction experiment. Thank you.